water pump. PTO driven. Suction from here, from the gutter. வணக்கண்ணே, எவ்வளோ வருஷமான இது பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கீங்க? எவ்வளோ வருஷமாக இந்த யூஸ் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கீங்க இந்த மிஷினை? 2 இயர்ஸாக யூஸ் பண்ணுறீங்களா? ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லாமல் ஓடுதில்ல மிஷினு? மிஷின் பிரச்சனை இல்லாமல் ஓடுதா? இது ஓட்டுறதுல தான் இருக்கேன். So tractor is used for various purposes to serve mankind. It is an amazing way of life. Tractors can make life humans easier if it is used properly, and it could be used on various platforms. The tractors are amazing piece of equipment for if it is used with implements. And this is a flange. Anna, is what size? This is 6-inch size. This is 6-inch size input. The input is 6 inches. And they use a pump. And set it up like that with the PTO. 1:3. So every rotation of this is increased to 3 times, and that pulls in water and pumps in. It's an amazing technology. This is output is 4. Amazing technology for mankind, and with little or simple effort, this can drive. என்ன டிஸ்டன்ஸ் பம்ப் பண்ணுது? என்ன தூரம் அடிக்கும்? 4 இன்ச் எவ்வளோ தூரம் போவோம்? It could go almost like 20 meter, 30 meter, any distance. And it could pump from any locations like that, from the cutter, and then it will go here and it will pump to any 4 locations you want. This is an amazing way to get water out of the gutter. Okay guys, this is tractors are used in various platforms in India, and if you want this kind of an implement, do contact arbtachment.in. Thank you.